Free my nigga Big Mill.
These niggas can't stand us, so they want us handcuffs.
Free all real niggas behind bars.
Feel like Tony Montana. Then these Bammers start wearing antennas. They want me handcuffed.
Alright.
Why they want me handcuffed? Take me out these handcuffs. I like to eat salmon. I can't be handcuffs. Handcuffs. Just dropped up in the van. Got 30 in my handgun. My cousin named Santana. Call work from Alabama. No niggas snorting Tanster. Let my niggas out them handcuffs. Street skin dry like Canada. This got me on camera. I can't be a handcuff. No, I'm saying though. Handcuff. You ain't my man, bro. You tryna get me jammed up. You wanna see me in handcuffs? Boy, that's fucked up. These niggas can't stand us, so they want us handcuffs. When you get that power, feel like Tony Montana. Then these Bammers start wearing antennas. They want me handcuffs. Why they want me handcuffs? Take me out these handcuffs. I like to eat salmon. I can't be handcuffs. Handcuffs. I don't wanna be famous. These niggas done changed up. They thought that I would change them. Started dropping names up. That shit ain't gangsta. I thought we always gangsters. When you get that power, feel like Tony Montana. Then these Bammers start wearing antennas. Handcuff. They done locked all of my mans up. I know they tryna get me, I'm the last man standing. But I ain't playing, I'm staying in my lane, cause